Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Chord Guitar. We have Cannons here. It's the first time here on Chord Guitar. And Cannons, what a cool name, like 50s name. Reminiscent a little bit about the past times. So Cannons, this one is called Loving You. So cool song to learn. I thought I never covered a song from them before, so why not give it a try? And let's take a look at this one. So capo on the first fret, that's what we need, and we have very easy chords with that. So let's go over the chords. We have first the E minor, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord is D, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have A as well there, so that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And then we also need to know about the B minor. That's the last chord. So it's a bar chord. You place the bar here on the second fret from the A string and down. That means from bottom up it's 5 strings. All strings except for the last E here. And then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Alright, so we have one strumming pattern that will work for this song. So let's take a look at that one. We'll grab this E minor since that is the first chord. So if you have that ready, E minor, let's take a look at the strumming here. So it goes like this: down, up, clap, down, up, clap. So that's one round. So down, up, clap, down, up, clap. So you have a short pause after down, up, clap, down. Okay, so after that down, you have a short pause and then comes up, clap. So down, up, clap, down, pause, up, clap. Down, up, clap, down, up, clap. Okay, so that's one way of handling this song. Suits the song very well. So that is the strumming pattern. Now let's take a look at the different parts here of the song: the verse, the pre-chorus, and the chorus. So let's start with the verse here. You have the chord progression E minor, D, A, and E minor. So it starts and ends with E minor. You're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord. So E minor 2, D2, A2, E minor 2, and then again E minor 2, so it goes like that. Okay, so you're gonna play this for 2 chord progression rounds. So let's take it one round together here, starting with E minor 2. D2, A2, and E minor 2. That's one round. I noticed I just played one E minor in the beginning there. I was a little bit too fast there, but I think you understand. E minor 2, D2, A2, and E minor 2. All right, so that is the verse. Then over to the pre-chorus, you're gonna play A for 3 rounds, and then you have this B minor for 1 round. This is the only spot here where you play the B minor. So A, 3, B minor 1, like this. So that's the pre-chorus. And then finally we have the chorus. It's the E minor 1, D1, and A2. You're gonna play that for 3 chord progression rounds. So let's take one round together. E minor 1, D1, A2. Let's do it again. Extra round doesn't hurt. It's a great song, so why not? This pretty much covers Cannons' Loving You, and you will put your parts together on your own. You have the verse, the pre-chorus, and the chorus, and that's what I'm gonna give you. So I hope this was helpful, guys. Give it a try, and till next time, play tuned.